This is the Fidget Cube. Okay, so first is going to be how could it spin. Cool. Fidget Cube. Do you know that you can put my finger right here, my finger right here to just spin it? Nope. So the reason is let's respill. Now how quickly. Fidget Cube, that's 1-to-1. How hard are you? Ow! Oh, the Fidget Cube one. 1-to-2. How quiet are they? When I click this, actually, how loud are they? Fidget Cube, 1-2-3. How sure are they? Stop. You just spin 2, 3, one more. And who's gonna win? It's this time I'm gonna do one more, okay? Now it's going how colorful are they? Please spin 3, 2, 3, one more. How heavy are they? 52, 3, 4. So the winner is gonna be the Fidget Cube, and the loser is gonna be the whale figure spinner. And yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Subscribe, like this video, and bye. Peace. Blah blah blah.